What is payroll software? Payroll software helps save time, generate reports, and reduce risk in order to accurately track a variety of information related to employee compensation. Common features of payroll software include compensation management, which facilitates the distribution of checks, direct deposits, and reimbursements, and exports the data for accounting software. Tax filing calculates federal, state, and local taxes, including Social Security, Medicare, unemployment, and disability insurance. Generating reports gives you the ability to track payroll information over time and quickly produce useful reports. Benefits administration tracks one-time or recurring employee benefits like time off, health insurance, educational assistance, and retirement plans. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.